Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss on an issue which impacts many students. There is always a confusion as to how many decimal should I use in the AFM answer. So I have in front of me one of the mock test paper, the latest one, which is there, series to August 2025. With this I'll explain how you can decide how many decimals do we use for exams. Now, one good thing, 30 marks is MCQ, so the decimal issue is sorted out for that. Balance 70 marks, still that issue is there. Now, what exam paper can do? One thing exam paper can do is they can give clarity in the paper itself. Let's see in this paper, there can be a clarity in the paper itself. For example, it says, show all calculations in millions and round off them to 2 decimal points. So, obviously, you'll have to follow this. Or they can give present value factors, and this is 3 decimal present value factor. So PVF has to be for 3 decimal. Round off all calculations up to 2 decimal points. So first thing you have to remember is what the question says. If the question has said something, follow that. In case there is no clarity in question, then these are the rules which I want to state you. The rules which I want to state you is, first follow the round off rules given in question. Second, for present value factor, we can follow 3 decimal. But in case you are doing a zero coupon bond where you will take a 20-year PVF or a 25-year PVF, you can even go for a 4 or 5 decimal. Basically, if the PVF number is very small, I increase the decimal. Point number 3, whatever you are doing, please write your assumptions clearly. If at all it is going to make an answer difference, then write your assumption. Now comes the most important point. You have to guess, give some estimation that your final answer, that is either your NPV or the share price which you are valuing or the bond value or the INR outflow, USD outflow, if that answer is likely to be less than 100, 4 decimals you can follow. 2 decimal is also fine, but 4 decimal, let's keep. If the final answer is going to be less than 100 rupees, you're calculating NPV is going to be less than 100. If NPV is going to be between 100 and 1000, share price is going to be between 100 and 1000, 2 decimal. If the answer is likely to be more than 1000, no need to do any decimal. No need to do any decimal. In exchange rates, whenever you do exchange rate, forex question and all, if the exchange rate is closer to 1, round off to 6 decimal places. Please follow this rule. This will be surely helpful for your exam. Thank you, friends.